We, the jury in the above entitled cause, find the defendant, Matthew James Davis, not guilty of the crime.
Some clapped as the not guilty verdict was read in a courtroom where former La Mesa police officer Matthew Dages was tried for one felony count of falsifying a police report about the arrest of Amari Johnson. Dages smiled and was patted on the back by his attorneys. Outside the courtroom, he posed for pictures and celebrated the verdict.
They right here, though. Sit down. Oh, my God.
That arrest at the Grossmont trolley station was caught on camera, circulated on social media, and triggered a weekend of violent protests in May of 2020.
As a mother of a Black son, I feel for the mother of Amari Johnson.
Dages' happiness is not shared by San Diego NAACP President Francine Maxwell. She's been observing the trial and got a call immediately following the verdict.
I'm very upset because although we keep having conversation, nothing changes.
She says it's hard to believe that the video evidence and a La Mesa PD investigation that got Dages fired could not convince a jury to find him guilty.
That jury was rigged from the beginning. This judge, she called them the reluctant 15. So as a judge, she knew that they didn't want to be there. So how open were they to listening to the evidence? How open were they to listening to all the testimony?
Maxwell says this verdict doesn't mean the end. Johnson filed the civil rights lawsuit against the La Mesa Police Department, Dages, and 6 others. That case was put on hold pending this verdict.
This too shall pass. There is another lawsuit that they have filed, and we're looking forward to a different outcome.
She says she understands there is anger and frustration, and some will want to gather and exercise their right to protest, but she urges vigilance and calm.
We do not condone violence. We support peaceful protests.
Kitty Alvarado, KPBS News.